Welcome to Las Vegas Martin Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ, training Kung Fu at home, lesson 15. How to fall correctly without to injure in a fight. If you are first time to coming this channel, sure you subscribe our channel and hit the bell button. Don't miss out the new update videos. If you want to training Kung Fu but you don't have a space, you got the right place. The program is designed for training Kung Fu at home with a small space. Let's go. Talk about the back fall. So when in a situation you're in a fight, so when you fall on the back, so what is the correct way and without injury? So with this type of move, and someone grabbing you and you go pull and last way balance. So if you go arm straight like what I just did, go this is wrong, and you can really broken your arm or your wrist very easy. So what is the correct way when you fall to back, your back, and without injury? So actually you should to lean back and your body goes straight like this way, right? And then you fall all the way to the ground. So this is a big distance from your body and to the ground. Once you lost your balance, you should fall back much as possible. Anyway, you gotta be fall, right? So how to without injury? And actually your both hand should to hit the floor hard you can. So once I go back, I will be just go back. I lean back much possible because my body will be close to the ground, very close. The distance is shorter. So I'm not gonna fall that hard. Plus, if I go back and I go, you see my arm just hit the ground. If you do correctly and your arm is flat, you should reduce the impact when you fall. So if my body from here and fall to right there, that's not that high. Plus, if my arm to land first, I'm not gonna injure my back. But most dangerous things, you can't injure your back very bad if you just fall your back first. So put this in your mind. What situation when you fight, then you think to landing your head first. Say this again. So if someone grabbing me, so I'm grabbing me and pull hard, go. My head go first and land my back. I'm never injure my back. And you have a chance to fight back. Alright, my friend? So that is the first movement. Let's go to the next. Let's talk about the side fall. So how to avoid injury when you lost balance and you fall to the side way. So this one is something is the same like you falling to the back, right? So you got to lose your balance, you got to fall anyway, just how to protect you not get injured. So once you get the kick or either trick in this way and you lose your balance, and actually for many years of training experience, I will take off my leg. I kind of like a little jump, but sounds a little crazy. If I'm jump in the air, I fall, gotta be harder. Actually not. It's the same way, the same thing. So once I get tripped, I lose, I will try to quick take out my feet because my body will be much closer to the ground. And then the same way I gotta to put my hand actually to hit the ground hard will be reduce the impact. So I'm not gonna injure, so I'm not letting my elbow, I broke my back. It's not go this way, but I will choose. So I'm gonna go with me like that, right? You say, anyway, you're gonna lose my balance. I just a jump. I try to a small jump and take on my feet, and I'll hit the ground hard. So I'm not gonna be to injure myself. Actually, the way to protect myself, and then I can recover. I can load this way and come back to fight, or I got to run. All right, my friend. Let's go to the next one. Oh, that's a good kick. Right. So now we talk about how to avoid injury when you fall on the stomach. You fall front actually. So if you cannot avoid someone kick you lost balance and you're falling back, so the technique is almost the same with the other two falls. But the only thing is different. So when you lost your balance, you should to make your stomach in and you kick your leg back and go far as possible to have more distance with the person who kicked you, but also you lose this balance, you kick your leg back and go far as possible, and actually your body will be very close to the ground. Again, when you're landing, you should just make your arm flat, but not go this flat. You can really, because this is not gonna have power to support you, and your face can be smashed on the ground. You should just use your elbow flat, your hand to hit the ground like that and tight. So if you can to push your toe up and you tight your stomach, you can quickly recover and to a fight again, or you run away. Stay with me, my couple ways to training how to make you stronger to falling correctly to avoid injury. Welcome back for how to fall to avoid injury in a fight. So now we'll be show you tutorial step by step how to fall the side way and the back way and also the front, right? So let's go. For your self and training purpose, so you open your arm and you cross your leg. So pretend you're gonna be fall, right? But your goal is avoid you not fall your hip. This where it hurts your bone to the ground. So you should really just go low as possible with your body. And then you lean to one side because this is shorter to the ground. And also once you fall, your both hand, try to make it flat. And I make my this leg behind because this also can reduce the impact. And the same way you hit the ground to reduce the impact. And this is protect your injury. So you say this again. Alright, great. Let's go to the second one. So how you fold your stomach on front, right? The same way, and that's how the trick as I said. If you got a cake or you lost balance and you're gonna fall, you don't want to hit your knee or you broken your elbow, your arm, right? So you gotta fold this properly and make it safely, right? So normally you try to fold a couple times. You can start with your knee down and you make your arm flat and then you fold forward like this, right? So once you go like this, you can protect your arm, not get injured. So don't fall this way again. And I got to really smash your face. So you got training with this way. You go a couple times, right? Really tight and tight your stomach. Hold there. So this is really safe when you fall. And when the real fight, you cannot always put your knee on the floor. You gotta fall this way. So what are the technique? First, you try to move your 2 feet, go back, not in the air for now. So you go back, and then you lean your body, actually go forward much as possible, and use the same technique to hit the ground like this, right? So actually, you see when you tight your stomach, and then actually you're not really fall. You can control yourself. Go either way still. So remember the steps. So you can use your knee, you fall flat, and then once you go this fall, you move your toes go back. And also once you really got hit, you might be flying in the air. And you can just to kick even more, go back your leg, and then you can fall flat. So to shorten your distance, your body to the ground, like this. So if I got a kick, I can fly, I will go what? Okay, my body maybe just this high to here, I'm okay, no problem. Okay, great. So let's go the last one, how you fall from the back with the weight training, right? So if you've been, someone pulled your leg, or you've been tripped, you're gonna fall back. So you don't want to fall this way. You gotta broken your arm, right? You gotta try fold flat, right? Same. You gotta go down much as possible, and then you just lean back. Once your body close to the ground and use both arm hit the floor, right back. So you go low and lean back, and very important. So your back, you don't want to lean your back first because this gotta be broken your back. You don't want to injure your back very serious, right? So your arm go left first, your arm go up first, and stomach tight to lean your back actually up. So that's safe, right? So see again, you go low, lean back, cut, and stomach up. So this is a safe way how to fall. So let's say full speed. Last one, and all right. Thank you, my friend, to following me right here. So follow me for the lesson 16. Will be to teach you how to get up from the floor quick in a fight. Alright, thank you very much. I love you all. I see you in next video.